The True Economist show is developed by a group of university students majoring in economics, studying, collecting, and analyzing data for the benefit of the users. Every selected outside material is either copyrighted by the True Economist, open source material, or it is properly referenced to the owner of the material. The videos published here serve for the education and entertainment purposes only.
Hello everyone, my name is Armin Mlahmetovic, and this is the True Economist episode commenting on the documentary movie Money, Banking, and the Federal Reserve. Here on our channel, we provided only a few parts of the movie amounting to about 12 minutes. The entire movie you can get by downloading, buying it or downloading it using a torrent. The movie talks about money, meaning nature of money and its historical evolution, and about banking and its own historical evolution, while placing a special emphasis on the Federal Reserve Bank of America. In essence, it provides that printing of new money by the Federal Reserve devalues or steals from the value of our already own existing money. This is very true. However, this is not the only thing it talks about, but rather mentions many or others would say conspiracy-like topics. One of them surely is the everlasting debate regarding that banking practices of fractional reserves, meaning that banks loan out more money than they have in deposits, which eventually means that if everyone would go to the bank to get their deposits in cash, they wouldn't be able to. Recent economic crisis happened exactly because of that fact, that similar freedoms were granted to banks. Banks created value out of thin air, far beyond everyone's ability to return the taken loans, which in turn led to bankruptcies in banks and consequently in related businesses. Finally, in the movie, various famous economists state that the Federal Reserve and commercial banks are aware of what they are doing and that they are the creators of the financial and economic crisis and recession we all experience today. The movie is a must-see, even though I don't really agree with the gold standard and the perfection of that mechanism they propose, which is mentioned later in the film. However, it is certainly a better solution than the freedom granted to the Federal Reserve Bank we experience nowadays. What I believe is that we as a society, economists and ordinary people, need to wake up from the idea that banks have the right to do what they are doing now. Creation of money, creation of value out of thin air by simply making additional accounting records, charging interest in common magnitudes that overpass the revenues of any other industry, consequently in burdening people and their businesses. All this will become a little bit more clear if you see both the extracted part of the movie, Money, Banking, and Federal Reserves, provided here on YouTube, and if you see the entire movie elsewhere. You can download the entire movie for free by using any kind of torrent program available on the internet. This is the True Economist. Stay tuned.